Hey guys, please don't disturb me because I'm doing something very important. मैं अंडे छील रहा हूँ. Oh yes. Unbelievable. आज की recipe is nostalgia. It's also one of those dishes where, you know, when you have nothing, no meat at home, but you still want to eat something, and nothing beats an egg, okay? Ande ka funda, ande ka maza, whatever. But literally, this is actually Rama Rao's college canteen curry. Okay, Rama Rao was our mess in charge, and those were the days when we had a little money in our pocket. We used to eat this amazing egg curry. So for this, we're going to be using a nice ultra light soya bean oil for this recipe. Beautiful. Now, ye jo hai egg curry, it is one of those dishes which I love when I travel abroad and I'm cooking for people, because the kind of eggs, the free range eggs which are even available now in India besides abroad, the egg are so delicious. And in this curry masala, which has got a little kind of a southern kind of vibe to it, literally because Rama Rao was from the south, but he's lived all his life in Maharashtra. So he did pick up a few Maharashtrian tricks to it, but the flavor is really nice. And south, eating this with a nice chapati or even with pav or any kind of rice of your choice, it's just amazing. Okay. Also, if you get a chance, if you want to make this dish with duck eggs, voila, it's just amazing. तो पहले अभी हमारा तेल गरम हो गया है. So first we're going to start off with some mustard seeds in this and a little bit of jeera. Okay. I also have generally college में we all used to tend to eat a little spicy food. Okay. It used to make us sweat. तो अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें 2 मिर्ची. Okay. So once these are in, I'm going to be adding 10 or 12 curry leaves in this. Nice. तो ये अच्छा हमारा छौंक बन रहा है. अब इसके बाद हम डालेंगे इसमें बारीक कटे हुए प्याज. So I'm got about 2 medium-sized onions in this, okay? और अभी हम इसको अच्छी तरह भून लेते हैं, okay? Lovely. Beautiful. So अभी ये they're going into a nice, lovely, translucent kind of scene happening here. अभी अच्छी तरह हम इसे अच्छी भून रहे हैं. Beautiful. इसके बाद हम डालेंगे इसमें, I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of chopped ginger, okay? And we're going to be continue cooking this. Beautiful. Nice. तो अभी हमने अंडे तो बॉईल कर लिए हैं. As you know, जीरा राइस is already ready. तो बाकी बचा है हमारा ये lovely egg curry, okay? जो कैंटीन का egg curry, okay? If you know what I mean. Nice. तो ये अच्छी तरह हम भून रहे हैं. We are not going looking for a really brown type of thing. We just want to make sure that the onions are nice and soft and they are beautifully cooked. अभी इसमें डालेंगे हम थोड़े से मसाले. So I've got 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/3 of a teaspoon of jeera powder. I've got 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, and I've got 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Okay, we're just gonna be putting this all here. Beautiful, nice. I love this. तो अभी this is the time where you have to be a little careful, okay? Because you know, अगर if you don't pay attention, जो आपके मसाले हैं, it actually gets stuck to the bottom of the pan. But you know, when I'm cooking these lovely, beautiful small lagans of mine, I absolutely don't have problems with that. So you can see this is all looking really, really good. I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt to this, and then we're going to be adding roughly chopped tomatoes, about 2 medium-sized tomatoes into this. I'm going to be adding a nice chopped coriander, 1 teaspoon to begin with, and look, voila, this is turning into something amazing sensation. Lovely. अभी हम इसमें डालेंगे लाइक आधा कप ऑफ पानी. लवली. और अभी हम थोड़े से ये टमाटर को गला देते हैं. ओके. एट दिस स्टेज आई एम गोइंग टू बी क्लोजिंग दिस. नाइस. सो नाउ ग्रेवी इज ऑलमोस्ट रेडी. अभी हम क्या करते हैं, ये जो हमने अंडे हैं, आई एम जस्ट काइंड ऑफ पंचर्ड देम अ लिटिल बिट. ओके. तो ये जो थोड़ा सा मसाला जाएगा उसमें इट विल बी ब्यूटिफुल. एंड नेक्स्ट अभी हम इसमें थोड़ा सा कोकोनट मिल्क डाल देते हैं. ब्यूटिफुल. ये देखिए हाउ अमेजिंग इट इज. परफेक्ट. और थोड़ा सा हम धनिया डाल देते हैं. ओके. एंड बिलीव मी, इसको हम अभी बंद कर देते हैं. अंडा करी almost ready. Always, जब you're planning a menu or maybe even a tiffin or whatever, you have to have this crunchy texture. Okay, we Indians, हम fully drama के हैं. Okay, we love our drama, we leave our crunches, we like sweet, we like sour, we like tikha, we like bitter sometimes. So I thought, you know what, quick प्याज का कचुम्बर. Beautiful, like a marinated onion salad as we call it. So literally, मैं ये जो प्याज को है मैं बिल्कुल मशीन पे स्लाइस करूँगा. You know, आजकल believe me, you can get all these, ये हम इसे mandolin कहते हैं. If you want to let me know if you want to buy one, I can easily send you one. Okay, if anybody interested in a mandolin, leave your comments below and or DM me directly. I can sort you out, guys. But I'll tell you, it makes life really easy. Uniformity, easiness to clean. तो अभी हम इसे प्याज को देखो, इतने ब्यूटीफुल हो गए हमारे प्याज. ओके. अभी हम क्या करेंगे इसमें, हम इसे इस यहाँ पर ही बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा नमक, थोड़ी सी लाल मिर्ची, इसको हल्का सा मिक्स कर देते हैं. ओके. और फिर हम इसको ये बोल में डाल देते हैं. बिल्कुल. ओके. नाइस. और अभी इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, थोड़ा सा सिरका डाल देते हैं. ओके. यानी कि प्लेन विनेगर. So I'm adding a little bit of vinegar into this. Beautiful. We're adding a touch of roasted jeera powder. और then यहाँ पे हमारे पास धनिया पड़ा हुआ है. ओके. हम इसको धनिया को बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा श्रेड करके हम इसमें डाल देते हैं. ओके. करेक्ट. ब्यूटीफुल. देखो झटपटा सा हमारा टेस्टी सावर एंड विद दिस एग करी एंड जीरा राइस, ये जो मेरे सिरके वाले प्याज जो है ना, बिल्कुल सुपर हिट हो जाएंगे गाइज. एंड आई गॉट another way to eat this. You take a pav, you cut the egg, you put the gravy of the pav, of the egg on the pav, then you put the onion and you make the most amazing egg curry pav sandwich. That's another late night 420 munchies that we are having as well. Oh yes! Unbelievable, guys, unbelievable. So we have our beautiful college canteen की हमारी egg curry ready है. Beautiful. So we've got a really nice, beautiful masala made with the coconut milk and tomatoes. Beautiful. So we have our egg curry. Then we have hamare jeera rice. It's always a pleasure eating jeera rice. Beautiful. It's very hard for me to say anything right now because, guys, my mouth is watering so much. And then finally हमारे सिरके वाले प्याज का कचुम्बर. Mind blowing. Beautiful. Wow, amazing. Superb. So, kachumbar ready. Nice. Chawal ready. Or Anda curry tiffin ready. If you really like these styles of tiffins, we've got lots more, inspired from each and every part of India and the world. Let us know. We got many tiffins for you. Do like, do share, do subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, because believe me, this is about nostalgia, and it is the best feeling of sharing these amazing recipes from my kitchen to your kitchen. See you soon.